India's journey into the future of space exploration has taken a historic leap, marking its intent to join the select group of nations with their own operational space stations. With the recent announcement and government approval for the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, India's first national space station, the country is setting its sights on a permanent presence in low Earth orbit by 2035. This initiative isn't just a technological milestone, it's a statement of India's rising stature in global science, innovation, and strategic autonomy. The Bharatiya Antariksh Station, or BAS, represents a vision that is both bold and meticulously planned. Weighing around 52 tons and orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 400 to 450 kilometers, the station will be a modular structure, gradually assembled from 5 interconnected modules over the next decade. Designed to accommodate crews of 3 to 4 astronauts for extended missions of up to 6 months, BAS is slated to become a hub for groundbreaking microgravity research. What sets BAS apart is its focus on Indian priorities, advancing medicine, agriculture, materials science, and space manufacturing tailored to national interests, all in a uniquely Indian environment. This ambitious project gained remarkable momentum in September 2024, when the Union Cabinet approved a significant expansion of the Gaganyaan program to include the development of BAS. With an additional allocation of Rs 11,170 crore, the total investment now stands at over Rs 20,193 crore, or about $2.4 billion USD. This financial commitment transforms the station from a distant dream into a central pillar of India's national agenda, ensuring that the resources, expertise, and strategic vision required to succeed are firmly in place. Yet, the question remains: how does a country that has only recently begun sending humans to space on its own rockets intend to construct and operate a complex, multi-modular laboratory in orbit? The answer lies in the Gaganyaan program, which is both the foundation and the proving ground for all that the Bharatiya Antariksh Station will become. Gaganyaan is India's first indigenous human spaceflight initiative, and its success is the key that unlocks the nation's orbital ambitions. Before India can build a space station, it must demonstrate safe, reliable human spaceflight capability, mastering the launch, life support, orbital operations, and safe return of astronauts. The Gaganyaan project is not merely a precursor, it's the essential testbed for every technology and operational procedure that will eventually be scaled up for BAS. The roadmap is clear and carefully structured. The first major milestone is the uncrewed test flight, Gaganyaan 1, scheduled for the last quarter of 2025. This mission will rigorously assess the crew capsule's systems, from life support to heat shields, in the harsh environment of space. Following this, a series of increasingly complex test flights will take place in 2026, including missions featuring Vyommitra, a sophisticated humanoid robot designed to simulate and monitor human responses in orbit. These tests will yield vital data, ensuring that every aspect of the spacecraft is ready for human occupancy. The climax of this phase will be the first crewed Gaganyaan flight in early 2027, placing 3 Indian astronauts in orbit for 3 days. This achievement will make India only the 4th nation in history, after the United States, Russia, and China, to independently launch humans into space. The astronauts, selected from elite Air Force pilots and trained with international partners, will mark the beginning of a new era for Indian space exploration. But Gaganyaan's scope now extends beyond these initial missions. With the expansion approved in 2024, the program will include additional flights dedicated specifically to validating technologies critical for BAS, such as extended life support systems, radiation shielding, and, crucially, orbital rendezvous and docking procedures. These capabilities are the backbone of modular space station construction, allowing separate modules to be launched, maneuvered, and connected in orbit with millimeter precision. Mastering docking is a technological leap that will enable India to assemble BAS piece by piece, just as today's International Space Station was built through international cooperation and meticulous engineering. As the Gaganyaan missions progress, each step will serve as both a test and a rehearsal for BAS construction. Environmental control and life support systems, proven during short-duration crewed flights, will be expanded and optimized for months-long missions aboard the station. The skills and procedures learned, ranging from in-orbit maintenance to emergency escape protocols, will be directly transferred to the operation of the station, ensuring the safety and productivity of future crews. The timeline for BAS is as ambitious as its technical scope. The first module, BAS-1, is scheduled for launch in 2028 as a robotic platform to validate critical systems. This will be followed by the gradual addition of further modules, culminating in a fully operational station by 2035. Throughout this process, India will be building not just hardware, but institutional knowledge, international partnerships, and a new generation of space scientists and engineers. What will this station mean for science, technology, and society? BAS will be a dedicated microgravity laboratory, enabling research that is impossible on Earth. Scientists will study biological processes, develop new materials, and test medicines in an environment free from terrestrial constraints. Agricultural experiments could lead to breakthroughs in food production, while space manufacturing might revolutionize everything from electronics to pharmaceuticals. The station will also serve as a staging ground for deeper space missions, potentially supporting lunar expeditions and eventually interplanetary travel. In the broader context, India's space station is a testament to its growing confidence and capability on the world stage. By investing in sovereign infrastructure in space, India signals its readiness to be a leader in science, technology, and international cooperation. The station will provide opportunities for collaboration, inviting scientists from around the world to participate in joint research, and positioning India as a reliable partner in the global space community. The journey from Gaganyaan's maiden flight in 2025 to a completed Bharatiya Antariksh Station in 2035 is a story of vision, persistence, and national pride. Every mission, every test, and every milestone is a step toward realizing a future where India's flag flies not just on Earth, but among the stars. This is more than technological progress. It's a declaration that India is committed to shaping the future of human exploration. As the nation embarks on this epic adventure, the world will be watching. The lessons learned, the discoveries made, and the boundaries pushed by Indian scientists and astronauts will inspire generations to dream bigger and reach higher. The era of Indian space stations is on the horizon, and the countdown has already begun.